Welcome to JM's Mindful Money Moments, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by JM Molloy of Dominion Lending Centers, the #1 mortgage choice for home buyers. Now, here's your Mindful Money Moment.
Okay, today we're going to talk about how you can spice up and add value to your kitchen without doing a complete reno. Here are 6 simple, low-cost ways to add new vitality and style to your kitchen. Number 1, paint the cabinets. Keep your existing cabinets and use some of your savings to buy high-quality paint in a decorator color and finish. Number 2, add new hardware. Sleek new metal handles will add the finishing touch to your brand new looking cabinets. Number 3, paint the walls. Choose a color and finish that comfortably complements your cabinets, or go bold with a dramatic feature wall. Number 4, camouflage your countertop. Sure, you'd like to redo the entire countertop in stone, but since that's not in the budget, choose the most worn or damaged section and cover it up with a butcher block or a piece of remnant stone countertop. Number 5, add dramatic lighting. All the new kitchens have under-cabinet lights to illuminate work areas and create a cool high-tech look. Today, this is very inexpensive to duplicate with battery-operated LED lights that just stick on. And since LEDs don't consume much energy, the batteries last a long time. Number 6, make a strategic splurge. Evaluate the appearance and performance of each appliance and consider replacing just one that needs it the most. A shiny new fridge or stove attracts attention and adds to the overall look of renewal. So there you have it. I've just given you a few ideas to add more wow factor to your kitchen without breaking the bank. For more information on how you can use your home equity to fund your home improvements, call us today.
Thank you for tuning into this episode of JM's Mindful Money Moments. If you have any questions or comments, please call JM today at 416-729-2915.